Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you leftover dough recipe. So this dough is of roti or regular chapati that we make. So I have rolled it and cut into these pieces and I have sun dried it like this. In case you have leftover chapatis, you can chop the chapatis this way and do the following steps that I'm doing it right now. So first of all, heat a kadhai on the stove and now add in 1 teaspoon of ghee into it. You can even use butter. Now add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of chopped coconut into it. You can use fresh or dry, either any one of it. Now as the coconut starts getting to brown, add in 3 to 4 cups of water and allow the water to boil. In case you don't want to use coconut, you can even use the chopped dry fruit instead of it. Now take a mortar pestle and add in 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 3 to 4 cardamom pods into it. Now we are going to slightly crush them. No need to make a fine powder, just slightly crush them so that the flavors get incorporated into our recipe. So here you can see the water has started to boil. Now add in the crushed fennel seeds and cardamom pods into it. Now we are also going to add in the pieces of the dough that I have sun dried it. Instead of this, if you are not having the leftover dough and you're having the leftover chapati, you can add in the chopped pieces of chapati at this stage. Now on the high flame, continuously give it a stir and cook for about a minute. Now cover it and cook on low flame for about 5 minutes. So here you can see after 5 minutes they are cooked well. Now add in 2 to 3 teaspoons or handful of vermicelli sevai into it. This is totally optional. In case you want to make it even more tastier and a little bit unique, you can add in, otherwise you can skip it. Now it's time to add in sugar. So here I'm going to add in 1 cup of sugar into it. In case you want to make it on a healthier side, you can even add in jaggery powder. Now give it a good mix and cook on high flame for about 5 minutes. So here you can see after continuously cooking it, it is almost done. Now add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of roasted peanuts into it. This is also totally optional. In case you don't like peanuts, you can skip it. Now I'm going to add in mango chunks into it. You can add in any fruit of your choice, or this is also too optional. You can skip this step too. Now give it a good mix and finally off the stove. Do not cook after adding in the fruit. Now let's serve. You can see in just 5 minutes our tasty and delicious dessert is ready with the 2 leftover chapati dough or with leftover chapati. So do give it a try, do share it with your friends and family, and if you find my recipe interesting, do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. So this is going to taste very well. Do give it a try and I must say this is must try recipe. So we'll meet you in the next recipe. Stay connected by subscribing to our channel.